Hello and welcome to this short tutorial. I hope you can understand my English. I want to show you today how to create mods for Discord Bot Maker. That's the program at the moment. We are at version 1.3.0 beta 5. I think there will be an update today, but we will try to get that day to create mods. Yes, first of all, open Discord Bot Maker, go to project, open actions directory, and now you can see all your actions of Discord Bot Maker, and many of them are mods, or not many, but some of them. So we want to create a mod which shows you these, like for example, the name, the show name. So Wicked changed his name to whatever, and that will other our goal for today. So we are looking for store member data, store member info. That's okay too. So we will copy and paste this for. I will call that tut mod and open it. I'm using Atom. It's made by GitHub. You can use whatever you want to use, Notepad++ or whatever, but I think I have to start it. Yeah. Okay. It always takes a time. Also because I'm currently recording. But that's a long time. Okay, first of all I can also create the command, so we will name it tutorial and save it. So now we should have access. Okay, it's open. Okay, you can start now. First of all, that's the top. I will, yeah, okay. We will have to change the name. Short time. Wait. Okay, this is the name you can, the users can see in Discord Bot Maker. So we will name it tutorial. Then we will have to use a section. So this is the name. This is the name, and the section would be messaging. So we will have the name tutorial, and now the section tutorial 2. These sections are sorted by alphabet, or yeah. So tutorial will be around here. Yeah. This you can ignore for the first time. We will directly move to the end, and I'm too lazy. To this, I'll put your template into the video description. But for the first thing, I will remove all these. Now we have case 0. You can ignore this for first try. We will have result like equals member. So now we will add a new case. You may have noticed that if you're using like member control, store member info, you have this. These are all cases. So case 0 is case member object. So we will do something like not the username. We will use the display name and something else. Again, there's a link in the description which shows you this page. This is discord.js, and they are all important things you have to know to create mods for Discord Bot Maker. We will go to guild member there. That's the member because we want to get the member. And yeah, that's all things you can store, and that are all actions you can do. So for example, we will use something like joined at. That's the time the member joined the guild, as you can see. So we use case 1 result equals member punct joined at. It's important that it equals completely to these one here. So we have joined at, and we add a break It's not really necessary, but it looks way better. So now we can also add case 0. Case 0 is the first case. Yeah, I know it's 0, but yeah. Now we can store something like, yeah, we could store all, okay, that's with an array. I will show you that in the next tutorial. We will use, um, well, we can use the display color. Yeah, that will be the hex code you can see, and yeah, just remember display color. So that are the first things you can do. Now you can see this is a CSS part. This is all what you can see here. These are the different options you can see here. So we will remove everything except the first two because we only modified them. We will use that color code, and instead of member ID we will use the date the user joined, so join date. You can also write there in whatever you want. It's completely not important. So this is the thing you can see after you use something like this, and you see you can use it if you this server member. So we want to modify that too, because you don't restore a color code instead of a member. It's not really important. If you do nothing here, you can see it will be unknown type, but we will type their color code. You can also it's a number, so we can also use number, and here we use date because it's the date the user joined. Now the last two things. These are all these things you can see. Ooh, 3 days later. So these were the things you can see here. Member object. So now we will change it. Instead of member object, we have first of all the color code. Then we've got the join date. Yeah, that was it basically, I think. Did I forget anything? No. So we can close it, and yes, it's now in my Discord bot maker actions directory, so we will have to restart Discord bot maker one time. Open it again. Wait a second. Oh, so slowly. Tutorial. We can remove this and go here to our things, and there's tutorial, and there's our toot action. We use mention user color code. We will name it color. Clone this action because it's quicker, and the date, and create a send message action, color and date. So now we have simply everything. You see there's color code, there's join date. We will save everything, start it, and wait a second. Okay. Open Discord and do tutorial. And if you don't mention user, you may know there will be an undefined. So we'll mention myself. Lasse. And now you can see my color. My color is this blue, and you see when I join this Mitteleuropäische Zeit, it's a German word, so it's always the date will be given in the in the time zone the command author is in, I think. But you can also use with my mods, of course, something like everyday advertising. Now you can also use time, and you can it's date, I think, date, and then you see UTC, and that will be for everybody. So yeah, that was my short tutorial. I will stop it because otherwise my bot will send everything twice. You may have seen it here. Okay. Yeah, that was my tutorial. It was only really bit short, but I think maybe it will help you. Yeah. As I said, you can use everything here. If you have a question, feel free to message me or ask here in coding support. Where is it? There. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why I'm on streamer mode because of OBS. I think. Okay. Have a nice time and good morning.